Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting discount video. In this video, I'm going to reveal two of the finest hosting discount coupons plus a special discounting through which you can get amazing discounts. So let's get started on the step-by-step tutorial on how you can get an amazing hosting discount as much as up to 91%. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be entitled to a page like this where you can see already running discount deal. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger got a recommendation by WordPress. They are being recommended by Trustpilot, Google Host Advice, WP Beginner. Everyone praising them for their finance services. Even if I let's look around on Trustpilot reviews, as just a random reviews, you can see that major of the reviews are 85%. So yeah, you can see that even if they have a negative review, they are very happy to concern and sort out the issues. So you can see that majority of the reviews are just good. And the best thing is that all of the plans have 30 days money back validity, so you can buy with confidence. That is a very exclusive edge, and which was one of the reasons which is why I opted for hosting as a primary hosting company. Now you can see the three most primary deals: premium, business, cloud setup. Now these are the three most popular plans, and if you scroll below, you can see that some has managed WordPress, all has managed WordPress, some SSD storage, NVMe storage. So yeah, both are very good storage options. Then you are getting hosting a website builder through which you can create websites quickly and easily. They also provide you with free domain, free automatic website migration, free CDN, deal your weekly backup options, a lot of functions, features. You can see a lot of amazing security features, and the best is that you are also getting superb service and support with unlimited bandwidth, technical details, and then you have data centers all around in the world, so you can host your website in different locations of the world wherever you like to want to host. And then you can see that they provide maximized website speed, which is just amazing. You know that the site also plays a very crucial role over here. And if you scroll below, you can see that they have a 24/7 support. Currently, more than 2 million people are using hosting as their primary hosting company, which is just a good add-on. And then they're providing advanced security features, as I told you before as well. And they also provide you free migration. So, in case if you're coming from the hosting company and want to build this hosting discount, the procedure is going to be quick, easy, and the agents will help you in transferring your website to Hostinger. So, yeah. After you look around in these, you can see you can select any plan according to your preference. If you ask me, my recommendation is to offer the premium business plan, because here you are saving the most amount of money. But again, you can select any according to your preference. Once you select your plan, simply select the choose plan, because this discount coupon code is valid with any plan, so you can choose according to your preference. Once you select the your plan, you can see over here that this is an exclusive limited time deal, and I want you guys to take the maximum out of it in case if you have clicked on my discount link. And then if you scroll below, you can see that they have multiple pricing options. So 1 month, 12, 24, and 48 months. So you can select any according to your preference and your budget. But you can see that you are saving the most amount of money in 12 to 24 and 48 months. After you select your billing period, scroll below, write your email ID over here, or you can synchronize with the Google or Facebook account over here. After you are done with this, select your payment method. Hosting or offer various payment methods. You can select any according to your preference. They offer a lot of payment methods. You can select any. Once you select your payment method, scroll below, write your email ID over here, billing details over here, and then scroll below, select the have a coupon. You can see that the prices already have an amazing discount, but if you select the have a coupon code and try this amazing coupon code, you can see that the price which you already got a discount is going to get a further discount. Simply select the apply, and you can see that the price got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well, which I want you guys to use, and you can use this one or this one. It's all up to your preference. This is with the name of HI10. You can simply select the apply button with this one as well, and you can see that the price got up for the discount. So if you're looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, looking for an amazing hosting discount, then make sure to use my discount link plus either of this coupon code to get an amazing discount. My experience so far with Hostinger is just amazing, which is why I look forward you guys to host your website from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.